Welcome to Anoma's cooking. Today I am going to show you how to make Sri Lankan style egg curry. Here are the ingredients. Obviously we need boiled eggs. I have 4 eggs here, tomato, shallots, we call red onion, garlic, green chili, fenugreek seeds, tamarind, 2 seeds here, salt, turmeric, chili powder, and here we have pandan leaves and curry leaves. These two are optional, and unroasted curry powder. Coconut milk, this is I have nearly 1 cup thin coconut milk and half a cup thick coconut milk. First of all, I am going to cut this. Cut into cubes. Now here I have 3 shallots. If it's not available, you can easily use this. I'm adding curry leaves and pandan leaves and salt. Here turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon, chili powder, unroasted curry powder, 2 tamarind seeds and fenugreek seeds, and then add the thin coconut milk. Now I am going to cover this and cook until it boils. My curry is boiling now. Give it a good stir, and then again I am going to cover this and cook for another 2-3 minutes. At this point I am going to add my boiled eggs and my thick milk. I changed my spoon, so I'm going to cover this again. Cook until the coconut milk boils. Now my curry is boiling after adding the thick milk. So you have to stir this often. So time to time stir this. Now on, cook without the lid, and gravy should be reduced to half. Give it a good mix for a time to time. Now my curry has been reduced. I am going to turn off the heat. You can eat this with rice or bread. Thank you for watching. Join me next time to cook a tasty curry with love.